I am so excited to finally be launching Proko 2.0. I've been talking about it for years, but it's here. You can go now to proko.com and check it out. And the reason I'm excited is because for 9 years now, Proko has essentially just been me and a few other teachers sometimes posting some lessons. And then you guys watch those lessons, and that's pretty much it. But now we're starting to head towards it being closer to an actual art school, where there's community behind it. You can post your assignments and get feedback from the instructors or from the community, from your other classmates. You get all the different parts that you should get from an art school, not just a library of videos. The two biggest things that I think need to improve online are community and feedback. And that's why I really want to encourage everybody to help each other. This is what happens in a real classroom environment when you have classmates in a physical classroom. Everybody sees each other's work and everybody helps each other. And that's how it should be online too. And we're going to be doing what we can to incentivize that. For example, throughout this May and June, every Friday, we're going to look at everybody who in the community critiqued someone or helped somebody, and we're going to select 1 or 2 or 3, whatever people that really stood out, and we're going to reward them with free stuff. Free courses, free Proko skulls, free art supplies, whatever. We're going to change it up. So what we launched today is the beginning of our goal to improve the community and feedback aspects of online education. We have a roadmap of a lot of really exciting features that are coming up in the next year or two, like direct messages, workshops, private mentorships, study groups, a timer tool for you to practice drawing. We're even experimenting with AI to give you feedback. So lots of really cool stuff on the way. So to celebrate this launch, we're going to be doing something new every weekday, May through June. We're going to have some really cool guests like Stephen Bauman, Carla Ortiz, Cynics, David Finch, Marco Bucci, TV Choi, Ahmed Al-Duri, Slew, and a bunch of others that we'll announce throughout the next month or so. These artists will have new videos. We're going to launch new courses. They're doing some live streams, AMAs. It's going to be good. We're also going to have a special Proko challenge with a lot more prizes than usual. That's going to start Monday the 24th. And all these things, all these things we're doing for this launch, we're going to announce all of this stuff on our newsletter, on our social channels, or you could go to proko.com/party and all the latest announcements and updates are going to be there. Also, the first few Fridays, I'm going to be doing a town hall style live stream where you guys can come on and ask me questions about this new platform. All right, so let me just show you a few of the basics. So right here, we have a My Classroom page. This is where you'll find your progress on the courses you're taking. You can continue where you left off in each course. You get a news feed of all the activity from students and instructors you follow, from courses you're taking, and from categories in the community that you're subscribed to. You can even post your assignments to a lesson that you recently watched directly from your news feed. In the Browse section, you can find courses, lessons, model packs, and instructors. When you find a course you want to enroll in, you can get premium, or if you're fine with just the free content, you can add that course to your classroom. That'll send community activity from that course to your classroom newsfeed, and you can track your progress on it. Most lessons have a discussion area right under it, and some have official assignments where you can post your work. And also there's a community page with specialized categories for discussions outside of any specific courses. And of course, everybody gets a profile with albums and an activity feed. So if you want to be involved in this new platform, here's some stuff you can do right now. First of all, if you don't already have a Proko account, go to proko.com and sign up. It's free to be part of the community. You don't have to buy anything unless you want to get some premium content. If you've purchased something from Proko before, just log in with the same account you had before and all your stuff is still there. After you log in, complete your profile. Make yourself look presentable. Then follow your classmates and instructors. If you're looking for someone specific, you can use the search bar at the top. And please read the community rules. It's important that everybody understands the rules and the guidelines so that nobody gets hurt. And of course, start learning. Enroll in some courses, watch lessons, post assignments for feedback, give other people feedback, upvote stuff you like, downvote stuff you don't, flag inappropriate stuff that shouldn't be there, and generally just be active on the site. We're going to be adding gamification features on there, so all of this activity that you generate, eventually you'll be able to earn some credit and actually be rewarded for just being active on the site. So have fun, let's do this thing. Seriously guys, I'm so freaking excited about this. I cannot wait to see you all in the community on Proko.com. I'm so excited! Woo! I'm so excited! I'm so excited! You guys, I'm so excited! You guys, where's everybody? Where are you guys? I'm so excited! Oh, Jesus! Dude! Oh man, this thing almost broke. Oh man, that was close. I got my goal for the day. Can I put my clothes back on? Sorry, we're YouTubers.